Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Raw Kashif, Managing Director, Center to Advanced Level Research and Development, and I welcome you all in today's webinar that is related to research and development. So let's start our webinar. Virtual Research Support Center. Center to Advanced Level Research and Development is actually a virtual research support center, and we are forced to introduce virtual research support center idea or concept in Pakistan. Virtual research support center is actually means a research center that can support you in your research, and it's not compulsory for you that you have to be in our institute or in organization. You can be anywhere and you can get our help in your research. Our research center is registered with Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, and we are registered as a research and development organization. Since 2019, we are working on a mission to promote research and development culture in Pakistan. We are actually working on three main problems of our society related to research and development. If you see the graph on the right side, you see that since 2017 to 18, there is a research production or research papers growth, and Pakistan is on the top. So why this happened? Because since 2016 to 17, Pakistan is producing a large number of PhDs and researchers. So this means Pakistan is also slowly coming into the field of research and development, although the culture is not too much common in our education system yet. But in future, we hope so that Pakistan will be in the top levels in research and development. So the three problems we are working, I will also use, I think we can use Urdu language in this webinar so that most of the students can also get clear understanding of some technical stuff. So the three problems which we are working here in our research centers are research editing and publishing services, research promotion services, and we are providing support to the researchers in travel or in project grants. So later I will one by one give you the details of these services. First of all, let's talk about the research editing and publishing services that we are providing to researchers in our research center. Those are journal recommendation service, manuscript formatting service, and figures and tables preparation services. Actually, whenever we start our research in MPhil, Masters or PhD, the only support we are getting is from our supervisor. और जो हम लोगों का सुपरवाइज़र होता है वो हम लोगों की नज़र में उससे हर चीज़ में हमें सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, लेकिन एक्चुअली सुपरवाइज़र का मेन काम आपको गाइड करना होता है, ना कि आपको स्पून फीडिंग करें। बिकॉज स्पून फीडिंग का टाइम आपका अंडर ग्रेजुएट पे ख़त्म हो जाता है। अंडर ग्रेजुएट तक आपने जो सीखना होता है, स्पून फीडिंग के साथ न्यू नॉलेज आप सीख चुके होते हैं। अंडर ग्रेजुएट के बाद जैसे ही आप हायर डिग्री में पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट और पीएचडी की तरफ आते हैं तो उधर रिसर्च का काम शुरू हो जाता है, और रिसर्च के काम में सुपरवाइज़र आपका टीचर कम एज अ कोलीग ज़्यादा होता है, क्योंकि आपने मिलकर काम करना होता है। तो रिसर्च के काम में चाहे एमफिल हो, मास्टर्स हो या पीएचडी हो, हम लोगों को सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है। अगर आप पाकिस्तान से बाहर की बात करें तो उधर तमाम यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के अंदर ये कल्चर होता है कि उनके अपने रिसर्च सेंटर्स होते हैं जो कि लैब्स के साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हैं। रिसर्च सपोर्ट सेंटर्स होते हैं जो कि स्टूडेंट्स को पब्लिकेशंस, एडिटिंग, प्रूफ रीडिंग, रिकमेंडेशंस, इनमें उनको काफ़ी सपोर्ट करते हैं। लेकिन पाकिस्तान में अभी क्योंकि रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट का इतना कल्चर नहीं आया है एक्सेप्ट फ्यू टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज़, सो देर आर ऑल्सो लैक ऑफ रिसर्च सपोर्ट सेंटर्स इन आवर universities. So Center to Advanced Level Research and Development is working on this mission to support our researchers, जिसके अंदर हम लोग 3 टाइप की सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं, रिसर्च एडिटिंग और पब्लिशिंग की। और रिसर्च एडिटिंग एंड पब्लिशिंग के अंदर हम लोग जर्नल रिकमेंडेशन, मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट फॉर्मेटिंग और फिगर्स एंड टेबल प्रिपरेशन की सर्विसेज देते हैं। और 1 बाय 1 हम गो थ्रू करते हैं इनके अंदर। जर्नल रिकमेंडेशन सर्विसेज, जब हम लोग अपना रिसर्च का काम कंप्लीट कर रहे होते हैं और कर चुके होते हैं तो हमारा आखिरी काम होता है उसे पब्लिश करना। और पब्लिश करने के लिए सबसे जो पहला स्टेप या मेन स्टेप होता है वो होता है टू फाइंड द जर्नल दैट इज़ मोर सूटेबल फॉर योर रिसर्च वर्क। अगर जर्नल आपके काम से मैच नहीं करता, स्कोप आपका जो रिसर्च का काम है वो इट्स नॉट फॉलिंग इन द स्कोप ऑफ द जर्नल, सो आपके लिए काफ़ी मुश्किलात पैदा हो सकती हैं। किस तरह आपका काफ़ी कीमती टाइम ज़ाया होता है, क्योंकि मोस्ट जर्नल्स जो होते हैं उनके पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता है, क्योंकि काफ़ी एक्सपर्ट लोग रिव्यू करते हैं। तो मे बी आफ्टर 2 वीक्स, 3 वीक्स और इवन 2 to 3 मंथ्स आपका पेपर रिजेक्ट हो जाता है कि वो ज़्यादातर या तो फॉल नहीं कर रहा होता एम्स एंड स्कोप के अंडर, या फिर आपने गलत सिलेक्शन की होती है। रिसर्च और जर्नल को आपस में कोई सिंक्रोनाइजेशन नहीं होती। तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में हम लोग आपको सपोर्ट करते हैं, चाहे आप एमफिल के स्टूडेंट हो, मास्टर्स के हों या फिर पीएचडी के स्टूडेंट हो। हम लोग जर्नल रिकमेंडेशन सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जिसमें हम लोग आपकी ओवरव्यू लेते हैं आपके रिसर्च का, और हम लोगों के जो एक्सपर्ट टीचर्स और इंस्ट्रक्टर्स हैं वो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ योर रिसर्च दे विल रेकमेंड यू 3 मोस्ट you can say suitable journals for your publishing your work। और इन 3 जर्नल्स में हम लोग इसमें कोई गारंटी नहीं होती है कि भाई आपका काम पब्लिश हो जाएगा। ये सिर्फ एक सपोर्ट होती है कि these are the best journals which lies in the aims and scope of your research। जब आपके पास आपके recommended journals आ गए हैं तो आपका काफ़ी हद तक काम आसान हो जाता है, क्योंकि अब आपको ये फिक्र नहीं रहती कि एम्स एंड स्कोप क्या पता मैच करता है, रिव्यूज़ मिलते हैं या नहीं मिलते, तो आपको बेस्ट रिकमेंडेशन आ जाती है। बाज़ दफ़ा आपकी रिसर्च बहुत अच्छी होती है लेकिन वो मैच नहीं करती जर्नल्स के एम एंड स्कोप के साथ, जिसकी वजह से, और ख़ाली एम्स और स्कोप का मैच करना नहीं होता है, इसके अंदर काफ़ी फैक्टर्स होते हैं। काफ़ी दफ़ा हमें रैपिड पब्लिकेशंस चाहिए होती हैं, no matter for our graduation purposes, for our job promotion purposes। so उसके लिए भी हम लोगों को जर्नल्स जब सेलेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं हम लोगों के एक्सपर्ट या इंस्ट्रक्टर्स, वो सबसे पहले फैक्टर देखते हैं कि एम्स एंड स्कोप आपका रिसर्च का और जर्नल्स का मिल रहा हो। सेकेंडली चीज़ वो चेक करते हैं हाउ रैपिड यू वांट पब्लिकेशन। इफ़ यू आर इन अ हरी देन मोस्टली दे विल गो टूवर्ड्स द ओपन एक्सेस जर्नल्स, although they are paid journals and expensive, but as per your needs they are the best choice because they will give you results within 30 days or 2 months or 3 months like this। So that is also a factor which we are considering while giving you this support of journal recommendation। Second service which we are giving is manuscript formatting। So actually what is manuscript formatting? Most of our research papers, whenever we want to publish in some high impact factor, we are always asked to get a proofreading from some registered organizations. So while doing research in Pakistan, students can't find such organizations easily. And if they want to go towards the multinational or for the international companies like Springer or Nature Services, they are so expensive that our student or our researcher cannot afford. For example, if you take the Nature One service for your proofreading, I think for 200 words they will charge you more than 500 US dollar. So all these services are charging you in US dollars, and 500 US dollar is, I think, too much for any master, MPhil or even PhD student in Pakistan. And universities will of course never support you in this stuff, because this is your research, your work. You have to do something to get it published. So Center to Advanced Level Research and Development, we are providing manuscript formatting services, and we are providing these services. The best thing is that researchers and our students, they are getting local rates for this. They are getting comments from the experts from the industries and from the education sector, and our experts will first of all check your journal requirements, and as per your journal requirement, because in formatting we will not only check the grammatical mistakes only, we will also check the technical writing and technical writing mostly in research papers. So our experts will help you in formatting your research paper. Third service that we are providing in research editing and publishing is figures, tables preparation. Mostly what happens, sometimes our papers are rejected due to low quality pictures, and reviewers ask us for high quality pictures, or for sometimes the pictures are not so much clear or giving we are not expressing our ideas in pictures very well. So we are also providing this service to our researchers. And the most important thing is that we while giving these services, two things we consider. First thing is experts and the instructors. Second thing is affordable, because the things which we will provide you is the same thing which the multinational companies or organization are providing, but because they are outside or they are abroad, they are providing this service in US dollars, so that is not easy for our students to manage them or afford them. So we are providing these three services in research, editing and publishing. Those are journal recommendation, manuscript formatting, and figures and table preparation. So if there are undergraduate students, so they can also get these services in their final year project reports, in their final year research, because this is not only for research paper, these are also for thesis, for dissertation, and for research reports for undergraduate. So undergraduate students can also contact us if they want their thesis or their final year report formatting in no matter in figures, tables, or they want overall formatting for their final year report. Second thing is which we are supporting is research promotion services. Once you have published your data, you have completed your research. Now the second step is promotion of your research. प्रमोशन इतनी ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है जितना कि पब्लिश करना। पब्लिश होकर आपकी रिसर्च आपका आधा काम हो जाता है, बाकी काम रह गया प्रमोशन का। प्रमोशन के अंदर आप लोगों को हम लोग जो सपोर्ट देते हैं वो 3 एरियाज़ में देते हैं। फर्स्ट इज़ वीडियो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, सेकंड इज़ इन्फोग्राफिक्स एंड थर्ड वन इज़ विजुअल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट। मोस्टली रिसर्च प्रमोशन सर्विसेज उन रिसर्चर्स के लिए जो कि पाकिस्तान से बाहर हायर एजुकेशन के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं और they want to present their research in some seminars or conferences, or they want to present even their final year project in undergraduate or for their thesis or for their dissertation. So what is video abstract? In video abstract we will provide you 1-minute video that will be giving an overview of your research and what your research is giving or an impact on the society, with all the footages and with all the information of your research. And these videos you can use on social medias also. You can also send these to the people with whom you want to share your research. Mostly the students who want to share their research with industry, so video abstract is one of the best options for them. Second thing is infographics. Mostly in our presentations in final year projects, especially in undergraduate or in master's synopsis or in final presentation, sometimes they feel a lot of difficulty in presenting their research. So infographics means taking out the most important points of your research, and from those points you want to convey the overall message to the people or to the staff or your teachers. So infographic services are mostly for undergraduate final year students for their final year presentations. Secondly, for the master students in their synopsis presentations and for their final presentation also. Third service that we are providing is visual abstract. Visual abstract mostly we use in our poster presentations. So if you want to participate in any type of poster presentation in seminars, conferences, or in your university or department, or you want to showcase your research in anywhere in any organization or mostly in your university department, so you can use visual abstract. That will help most of the students who are not from your major to understand your research, or from the people from the industry to understand your research clearly. And so these services are also we are providing to all the researchers. Second thing is now third thing, that is travel grants. Travel grant is mostly in Pakistan, it's very rare if some organization or our higher education commission, they will give you some type of travel grants. I think only HEC is giving this, but here Center to Advanced Level Research and Development, it's our mission to support our students. So we always help our students or researchers if they want to go anywhere in the conference in Pakistan, in any city, we will support them so that they can go in the conference or seminars and they can present their research there and they can communicate with other researchers. So it's an opportunity for them to meet with other researchers, share their ideas and get more ideas from them. So most of the students cannot afford such travelings and attending the seminars and conferences in far cities, but if you are our member and researcher student, so we can support you in your travel grants. For further information, you can visit our website, and there you can get all the information how you can apply for our travel grants. Second thing is research grants. In research grant, mostly in Pakistan, it's very difficult to get the research grants. Although first thing is they are in very few research grants. Options are very limited. Secondly, application procedure is very complicated. Most of the researchers don't apply because of such complicated procedures. So in order to support our students, Center to Advanced Level Research and Development, we also support our researchers by financially by giving them grants. And how we give grants, actually in this we change some view or idea, you can say. How मोस्टली आप लोगों के पास जो रिसर्च ग्रांट्स आती है हायर एजुकेशन कमीशन की, वो ये होता है कि आप अपने रिसर्च का आइडियाज़ दें और फिर उस आइडिया के ऊपर आपको कोई ग्रांट मिल जाती है. बट एज पर माय एक्सपीरियंस इन पाकिस्तान मार्केट, 90% जो ग्रांट्स ली जाती हैं किसी भी आइडिया के ऊपर, 90% प्रोजेक्ट्स कभी कंप्लीट ही नहीं होते. तो वो ग्रांट्स फिर क्यों ली जाती हैं? मोस्टली वो ग्रांट्स ली जाती हैं अपने प्रमोशंस के लिए, आपके ग्रेजुएशंस के लिए, कुछ ये रिक्वायरमेंट्स पूरी करने के लिए. हम लोगों का मेन गोल नहीं होता है कुछ अचीव करने के लिए. सो जिसकी वजह से मोस्टली ग्रांट्स ज़ाया हो जाती हैं, मिसयूज़ होता है. सो इस मिसयूज़ को रोकने के लिए हम लोगों ने एक नया आइडिया इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, जिसमें हम लोग इंडस्ट्री के प्रोजेक्ट्स लेकर आते हैं. इंडस्ट्री के प्रोजेक्ट्स हम लोग लाते हैं और फिर उसके ऊपर हम लोग रिसर्चर्स और लैब्स जो पाकिस्तान में हैं, जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, उनसे प्रपोजल मांगते हैं. अगर आपका प्रपोजल हम लोगों की रिक्वायरमेंट के ऊपर के एन मुताबिक है, तो हम लोग फाइनेंशियली आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे और आपको वो प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करके इंडस्ट्री तक पहुंचाना होगा. एंड वी विल सपोर्ट यू फाइनेंशियली इन दैट. जब आपके ऊपर एक जिम्मेदारी होती है कि आपने एक ग्रांट ली है और आपने एक एंड प्रोडक्ट फाइनल करनी है और इंडस्ट्री को देनी है, तो उसका कोई फ़ायदा भी होता है. रिसर्च ग्रांट का भी फ़ायदा होता है, स्टूडेंट्स का भी फ़ायदा होता है, और स्किल डेवलपमेंट भी होती है हमारी लैब्स के अंदर. सो सेंटर टू एडवांस लेवल रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑलवेज encourages our researchers to apply for our industrial projects and get our grants. For further information, you can visit our website or contact our WhatsApp directly so that we can educate you more on this. In final, I will talk about the membership for our center. We also give membership, and our membership types are student members, graduate members, senior members and professional members. Mostly student members are all type of undergraduate students. No matter they are in first year, second year, third year or fourth year, as long as you are undergraduate student, you can be student member for Center to Advanced Level Research and Development. Graduate members are mostly master, postgraduate students, masters, MPhils or PhD programs enrolled students. Senior members are those who are doing postdoc or are a lecturer, assistant professors in public or private universities. So they are the senior members in our research and development center. And the professional members are the people from the industry, and they must have 2 years experience in industry. So these are the 4 categories of our membership. And for further information, you can visit our website, that how you can apply for this and how you can get our membership. And most important thing is that what are the benefits that you will be getting if you are the member of Center of Advanced Level Research and Development. If we go abroad, I will talk about like IEEE. There are a lot of benefits of IEEE membership, but those if I can say that there are 100 benefits for getting IEEE membership outside Pakistan, But when you come to Pakistan, out of 100, those benefits will be 5 to 10. Why? Because in Pakistan, they cannot give such type of discounts to students, some type of services to local students. So in order to keep that thing in mind, we are giving all the benefits to our local members. That includes, we will involve them in all our research and development projects. They will be in first priority, no matter they are working as a researcher or they are doing job in the industry. We will always put them in priority. Second thing is they will get discount in all our services. If they are getting research publication services or promotion services, we will give them discount. Third thing is become eligible for student travel grants. Only our members can apply for student travel grants. Third thing is get opportunities for research grants, because our research grants are mostly when they come from the industry, we always give priority to our members. If there are some members who can fulfill the proposal requirements, then we will directly give the project to our members or to the labs. Those are in collaboration with us. So if you are the member of Center to Advanced Level Research and Development, you will be in the priority list in getting research grants. Get local internships. All our student members, we give them opportunity to do at least 3 to 6 month internship with our research center and with also other organizations, so that when they graduate they have at least some experience of working with some international or national organizations. Another thing is stay updated with the seminars and workshops. Mostly our webinars and seminars are paid seminars, but for members there are a lot of discounts for them, so they can get this opportunity. The final thing is research and development job opportunities. As our research center is always involved with the industrial projects, so whenever there are any opportunities within the project or for permanent vacancies also, we always prefer our members, and you will be always connected with the industry and you will get a lot of opportunities in this. So these are all the benefits you can get if you are the member of Center to Advanced Level Research and Development, because it doesn't matter you are a research student or a simple student of undergraduate. Even a simple student of undergraduate, when you will graduate, जब आपका फाइनल ईयर होगा, आपने फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट करना है. फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आपको फाइनल ईयर रिपोर्ट बनानी होगी. आपको काफ़ी उसमें फिगर्स की ज़रूरत होती है, फॉर्मेटिंग की ज़रूरत होती है. तो इफ़ यू आर अ मेंबर ऑफ सेंटर टू एडवांस लेवल रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग आवर सर्विसेज ऑन अ डिस्काउंट. इसके अलावा इन फ्यूचर वी आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन टू प्रोवाइड सम टाइप ऑफ social benefits also to our members, like other organizations international like IEEE is giving benefits on shoppings, on medical, on insurance. This type of we are also planning for our future for our local students. So these are the benefits, and you can go to our website and you can get more detail about this. So if you want to get more information, you can visit our this website, and for general inquiries you can send us your inquiry on info@carlylleinternational.com. and if you want any information regarding to our services, you can also write us on sales@carlylleinternational.com. But if you want a rapid response, then you can directly call. You can directly send us message on our this WhatsApp that is on your screen, and we will try our best to help you in all these services or support you in your research. So after this presentation, we will also take some question answer session, and still if you have any queries, you can directly contact us on our WhatsApp, and we will try our best to give you support in all your research and development career. So for this presentation listening, thank you all.